Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing channel on YouTube. I am your host Carter, and in today's video we are going to be looking at some of the best stocks under $100. There's been a lot of volatility in the market, bringing a lot of opportunity, and the beauty of it is yesterday we did the top stocks under $50, so I thought we might as well spice it up and go a little more expensive with best stocks under $100. The reason why I like them under 100 because you can really capitalize on share size. You can really start compounding your money, and overall it's just more affordable. A lot of people can't afford to spend hundreds of dollars. If you wanted to buy Tesla, $563. Oh, you want to buy Amazon? Oh, well, just so you know, you are looking at $3,230. So these stocks under 100 are more affordable and perfect for beginners. So the very first one here that we're going to look at is the one and only ticker symbol MS Morgan Stanley. Look at this huge solid upward trend. Resistance here at 88. You guys can see it hit it multiple times. We did get sell off, but the beauty of it is look at this yellow line here. This yellow line represents the 200 moving average line. So you guys can see it comes in contact. We get buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure. So now with it hitting the 90 moving average line, I think we'll probably get a little bounce, but overall a little more sell off back down to 81. That's where you guys can load up on your share size, get in on an undervalued point. But if you don't want to do that, that's fine, because really you can hold this for the next 2, 5, 10 years and still be up on your money. The people that bought it at these highs are still up on their money. The people that bought it at these highs are still up on your money. So as long as you have a long-term outlook, you guys will be just fine. This is definitely a lower risk investment compared to some of the ones that we have here. So the next one here is UPWORK. Ticker symbol UPWK here. So UPWORK is a little more volatile, still has a long-term upward trend, a downtrend in the short term. You guys can see it does have some support here, around $38. Resistance here is definitely around that 50 mark. So you guys can make some good trades. I don't like it being below that 200 moving average line, because it's going to have a little harder time breaking above it, but it's still a good investment. UPWORK is a smaller company that is definitely working to become obviously greater, taking up more market cap. But this is still a fantastic company here. Now the third company is one that you've heard of. It's ticker symbol EBAY. Oh, eBay. So this one here has been killing it over the past couple of weeks or so. You guys can see it has lows here at 45, highs here at 66. It is a little more choppy, a little more volatile. You get paid a dividend, 16 cent, 18 cent. So they're growing their dividend. Does have some resistance here at around 66. Some hard support here at 53. More support here at around 55. Textbook. This is definitely more of a riskier investment, but definitely carries a lot of long-term potential here. Now, if you guys go and look at the yearly chart, you guys can see does have a nice upward trend on the year, and really just a solid investment. Almost any time you bought in the highs, you're up on your money. Up, even up here, you would have hopped in, hold it for the next couple of years. Given that the market has sold off quite a bit, I think that this would be a good time to actually hop in on it here. Now, the next stock under 100 is ticker symbol PINS. Pinterest. Oh, look at this here. You guys can see it does have some support right here at around 56. Given this little consolidation, I think that brings a lot of opportunity. You guys can see the stock has been killing it. Lows here at 18, highs here at almost $90 a share. Sold off all the way down to $58. This would be a no-brainer investment for me, just because it's severely undervalued on the RSI. It's right on a support. So this is just a beautiful, beautiful opportunity to hop in on an undervalued point here. So the last stock that we're going to talk about, there's a lot of them under $100, but the last one that we are going to be talking about is ticker symbol TWTR. What is that? Twitter? Oh, look at that. Twitter. Beautiful upper trend. Highs here at around $87, which is that overall resistance. More resistance here at around 73. Support here at around, we can call that 50, with it coming up to 52. I think we'll get a breakout of that 200 moving average line, very similar to what happened in here. We did get sell off and then it broke above it. I think we'll get some sell off and overall break above it here. But it does like to use that 200 moving average line as some support as well. So I think that once we get that break above it, we'll have some support stepping in behind it. But given that it's still so undervalued on the RSI, this is just another no-brainer investment, guys. All of these stocks are severely undervalued, and I think there's a huge opportunity to hop into it. So that is it. Those were the top stocks right now that I am looking at to buy under $100. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and overall, I hope you guys got something of value. And if you did, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my course, and we will see you later, guys. Take care, and have a good one.